Johns Hopkins University says it expects to furlough and lay off workers due to budget shortfalls. And it all stems from the coronavirus pandemic. The university's president announced some sweeping changes and pay cuts to help the university weather the storm. WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland has their story for us tonight.
Johns Hopkins University's president says the school is not immune to the impact of this pandemic, adding it expects to lose hundreds of millions of dollars by 2021 as a result. $475 million is what Johns Hopkins University is expected to lose by June 2021 due to the coronavirus pandemic. The university's president, Ron Daniels, wrote in a letter to employees saying leaders will take pay cuts and that there will be pay freezes for faculty and staff. He also says furloughs and layoffs are expected, calling it, quote, an unavoidable consequence of the losses we are experiencing, end quote. Among those financial losses include missing out on tuition and research revenue, but Daniels says the university is losing the most money because of the reduction of elective procedures, a projected loss of $100 million by the end of June.
In advance of the expected surge of cases, they've emptied out to make room, mostly by canceling elective and non-urgent procedures. So there's a big drop in revenue, and at the same time, costs don't go down.
Bob Atlas is the president of the Maryland Hospital Association. He says the use of hospitals is down 30% statewide.
Across all of the hospitals in Maryland, we're projecting about $1 billion in revenue shortfall for the 3 months of April, May, June.
Atlas says the money from the federal government stimulus package could help, but it won't go far enough.
That will help fill the hole. It will not completely fill the hole.
Daniels telling his employees while announcing the cuts that the challenges from the pandemic are unlike anything we've ever seen in recent memory, but that, quote, it is one that we can and will overcome, end quote. And researchers here at Johns Hopkins University have been in many ways leading the global response to COVID-19. The university is saying tonight that these cuts will not affect their COVID-19 efforts. Reporting in Baltimore, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.